So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, I just wanted to let you guys know I started a new Instagram account for like makeup looks that I do. So I'll have the link here and I'll have the name here as well. So if you want to follow it, go ahead. Enough of the self-promotion. Today I have a very special guest on my channel. So this is Anisha. She's been my best friend for a few years now, and we're going to be doing the best friend tag, and I'm also going to be doing her makeup. So I'm just going to be priming her face with the Benefit Professional, but we're going to get started with the first question of the best friend tag, which is, when did we meet?
SK.
Oh, yeah.
Senior kindergarten.
Oh my god. How old are you in SK? Like 6?
6.
When did we start being best friends though? I don't know.
High school.
Yeah, I think so. Because I think in high school, like, all of our, like, close friends, they all kind of, like, separated.
Yeah.
And then naturally we were already friends, so we're like, hey, you want to hang out more? And then, like, we just started hanging out, like, a lot.
Mm.
Also, what I feel like is weird is because I remember telling my dad, for some reason we were talking about you, and I was like, first, I feel like Anisha's gonna be my friend for, like, my whole life. Like, you know those friends that you have that, like, you grow old with and, like, you still talk to each other?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I feel like she's gonna be that friend.
I feel like that too.
I was waiting, I was like, you gonna say you feel the same way? Thank you. I'm sorry, this primer's almost done. Okay, I'm gonna spray your face. So close your eyes and close your mouth. Okay, ready? Oh yeah, if you guys couldn't tell, she has her eyebrows done already.
Okay, if we're going out to eat, where are we going?
Okay, I feel like there's a few places. I think it's like Subway, Flapjacks, Menchie's.
Menchie's.
Yeah, that was my sister who said that, by the way. Menchie's.
Warehouse.
Warehouse, that's
Yeah.
true. Because bougie on a budget, right? Okay. Oh.
Who takes longer to get dressed?
Oh, we were talking about this the other day. I don't know. What do you think?
I think if I'm really trying, it would be me.
Yeah, because when you go in, you go in. But then there's other days where she's like, so I look like crap today.
But you do makeup every day.
Yeah.
So like,
I
on a
feel
regular
like,
day.
yeah,
it'd be
on a
you.
regular, it's me. But like, if we were both getting ready for like the same event or whatever, I think it would be her.
Oh yeah. Because,
Yeah.
yeah.
And also, if you guys noticed, we skipped foundation because like,
No.
she doesn't need foundation. Look at her skin. She does not need foundation. I tell her this all the time. Oh yeah, we also didn't talk about what you actually want for eyeshadow. So we're not great at thinking ahead.
What's your favorite inside joke?
Oh my god, we have a few. Okay, you say one and I'll say the other one because I have two.
Well, I don't know. I like the mine makes me shit.
You might have to explain that. That's a long story. Okay, let's get into it. What is that story?
We were talking about our periods
Yeah.
and how I wanted ice cream.
And this was a few years ago, okay? This was like maybe 3 years ago? More?
I think like grade 10.
Oh my god, that's like 5 years ago? Probably.
Yeah.
Because it was Facebook Messenger. That's how you know.
We were talking about our periods and I was craving ice cream.
Yeah.
And then you were like, you said you're lucky because
Oh yeah,
it makes you shit, but...
Yeah, so I typed, you're lucky, ice cream makes me shit. But what I meant to say was, you're lucky, ice cream makes me sick. And to this day, she holds it against me.
Every time it makes me laugh.
Every time. And every time we're on our periods or we're like talking about it, like one of us will bring it up. The other joke that I had, it's not really like a joke, but it's like, you guys know on Pangu, how like the penguin goes like, no. So when we were like 13 and like on Facebook, whenever one of us would like update their profile pictures or like anything, the comment would just be newt newt with a penguin emoji and a heart.
Totally forgot about that.
So even like on Snapchat, her name is Anisha and then a penguin and then a heart.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's my name on your phone?
To be fair, this is the same thing for everybody.
Uh-huh.
It just says Arifa and then a B. It used to have a penguin and a purple heart.
Alright.
But it
I
changed.
see how it is. You've matured. Okay. That's another thing that's kind of weird. Like, we've been friends for so long, but we don't have, like, nicknames for each other.
I feel like that's hard to do with our names.
Yeah, because our names are already too crazy. What would I call you? Like, Annie?
People have tried doing that to me. I'm like, why?
For most of her lid, I'm going to use this color from the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This one, it has a... thank you. It has a name. I can't read it. Oh, Hadia, right? Is that what that says?
Who's more petty?
I think it depends on the situation. Like, some people, if they take a really long time to text me back, I'll take like 30 hours to text them back. Like, when have you been petty?
Oh, for that reason, but it depends on who.
Well, yeah, it depends on who. If it's you, I don't care.
Yeah.
I'll still respond.
I'm so sorry.
I get it. You're not single, okay? Some of us are single and our phones don't go off at all, so you don't have to brag.
I text you.
Okay, what was the question? Who's more petty?
If it's him, I can be
Yeah.
really petty.
Yeah, I hope he watches this. Oh, that's another thing that we were talking about before. Him and a lot of strangers, they always ask us if we're like sisters or twins.
Oh my god.
So like, for example, our Subway orders are exactly the same. Tell them. Tell the people.
Italian herbs and cheese,
Mm-hmm.
turkey,
Mm-hmm.
cheddar.
Okay, that's where we differ. Because I don't like cheese, but I could eat it. I forgot. But everything else is the same, okay?
It's toasted.
Mm-hmm.
Everything but olives and onions
Mm-hmm.
with chipotle.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And that's it. And it's exactly the same. So we're very simple. When are other instances that we've been like asked if we're sisters or twins?
Yeah, we were volunteering at Greek Fest.
Oh, yeah.
A guy came up to us when we were serving him. He's like, "Are you guys twins?" And we're like, "No." "Are you guys sisters?" "No." "Cousins?" "No."
Yeah.
"Friends?" "Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it."
That was
Like-
funny. But I don't know. Okay, let me look at you guys right now. Would you say that we look like twins? Or is everyone just racist and they see two brown girls and they're like, you must be twins? What do you guys think? Take a good look. Leave it in the comments. Do we look like we could be related or not? I don't think so, but I'm not offended that people think we are, so. Oh my god, okay, in grade 6, for Halloween, we pretended to be, you guys know the movie Twitches?
It's a real star. Good gift.
What's her name? Tia and Tamara, right?
Yeah.
That movie where they're like witches or whatever, we dressed up as them on Halloween. And then I also remembered that when we were in grade 9, we tricked that guy from your school.
Oh yeah.
And we told him, I went to one of her school dances, and we tricked him and told him that I was her twin.
He believed us.
Did you try to lick me?
No.
Oh,
No.
oh, I don't know. Well, do it. What was that?
I don't know. It's just what I do when I do my makeup.
Okay.
Where do you see each other in 10 years?
In 10 years? I don't know exactly what I see you doing. I think you're probably going to be a cop. And you're going to pull me over for doing something stupid.
If you ever get your license.
If I ever get my license.
I can see you as an author.
You have high expectations for me that I will not live up to. Okay, concealer time. Oh my god, look how empty this is.
Okay, I just use that one for my eyebrows.
Oh, and this is the one you use like for your actual eyes?
Yeah.
I get it. I get it. Okay, hit me with another one. Another one.
Happiest memory together.
Oh, that's hard. I don't know if I have one that's like definitively the happiest moment. You know?
Yeah.
I have like happy moments, but it's never been like,
Okay, let's do that.
okay, a happy moment. But I was talking about this earlier today when I did my first ever YouTube video. Hi, my name is Arifa. Welcome to my channel. It was the day after my birthday last year. I was like, Anisha, like I'm really nervous. Like, can you like, not help me, but do you want to like come and like we can hang out after? And so she came over and I feel so bad. As I was sitting here filming, this room is super tiny, okay? Like if you put a queen size bed in here, the whole room is gone. But I had this poor girl sitting in the corner as I was filming and she was like watching me and my sister was up here as well. Just like having you here like really helped me feel like less nervous. I mean, it was a good time, but I don't know if you had a good time.
No, I did.
But yeah, I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. It's always good. Whenever we hang out, it's always fun.
Wow. Oh, a good memory. This Halloween, like I think it was the day after Halloween.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, why don't you explain? What did we do?
November 1st, we had like a horror movie night. And
Yeah.
Okay, I went a little all out and bought too much candy.
A little? We had so much candy. We had enough candy for a small village.
Okay, they're all on sale. I had to.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't know exactly what you liked. Plus, I liked all of it. So we had like a bunch of candy and we watched like 2 horror movies.
And like we just like talked about like boys because they suck.
Yeah.
And that was Halloween. I know it looks dirty, but I only used it on myself this morning, so don't judge. What is that? Can you imagine if you're getting your makeup done on like your wedding day? On your wedding day, you're like,
I will.
because I'm gonna be there, you know?
Yeah, you will.
Okay.
Okay. If anything, you'll do it.
Oh, I won't be that good. Also, I want to say I appreciate that my mom trusts you this much because I told her that Anisha was coming over and she was like, okay, tell her the door's open.
Oh yeah, she was just like waiting at the window.
Yeah.
And then I didn't know.
Oh my god.
And then I was like, do I open it or not? Because I saw it was open. She knocks on the window, scared the shit out of me. She's like, open the door. I'm like, oh, okay.
Sometimes I swear to God she likes you more than me. What were we just talking about? We were talking about a party that she had. Do you want to explain? Because I forgot what it was for.
Yeah, it was just like an anniversary for me coming to Canada. It was just really a way for my dad to like get my friends over.
Yeah.
Really? Because like I never ever have anybody over.
Oh.
So I just had like a bunch of friends over.
And I remember throughout the night I kind of got like an allergic reaction because it was the end of summer. And when I get around like pollen, like it gets really bad. Like my eyes like swell up like this and like I get hives all over my body. And so one of our mutual friends was also there and we were driving her home and we had to stop at Shoppers Drug Mart to get allergy medication for me. Her birthday is September 6th. So it's like always like the first day of school or like before the first day of school, you'll get like an invitation to go to a birthday party. That was always like the highlight. That's how you know that the school year was beginning. Like not because you had to buy school supplies, but because you got an invitation to her birthday party. Honestly. What was I just gonna say? Oh yeah, what was your first impression? Do you even remember that part? I don't.
SK, like I wasn't thinking anything about you.
Honestly, yeah.
Like I was still very new to Canada. And the school.
So you're just like, who are all these people? Yeah.
Plus, I look like a retarded Dora, so
Oh my gosh, she was so cute!
Aww. No.
Yes, you were so cute. You had like short hair, right?
Gross, yeah.
Yeah, you had like short hair like this. That was adorable.
I mean, so did you, though.
Yeah, and that's why we became friends. Because we knew that if you grow up having that haircut, you turn out a certain way.
Oh, yeah.
And this is that certain way. But yeah, I don't remember my first impressions of you. I remember like when you were being introduced to the class. And I was kind of just like, oh, okay. But like I never thought anything because you're like 6. What are you thinking of?
Right?
Snack time? I mean, nothing bad, I guess. Because what would I say? Who's that girl who looks like me? There can only be one.
Fight me. Square up.
Do you think we're still going to be friends in like 20 years?
Yeah.
Because how long from now is 20 years? Like, how old are we going to be? 39. But yeah, 40. I think we'll still be friends.
Oh, yeah.
Like, remember that video we filmed back when we were young? I'm going to spray your face with this again.
You know what it smells like?
What?
You know when you're little, you have those, they're like mats, but they're like the ones that like fit together. They look like puzzle pieces.
Yeah?
You know what I mean?
That's what this smells like to you?
Do you not like get what I'm smelling though?
No. It smells like that?
Yeah.
Let me see. I think it's coconut water and probiotics. I'm gonna ask you to curl your eyelashes because I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to do this anymore.
Why are you watching me?
Because I'm sitting here, I have nothing else to do. One other question that we found was if we were gonna go on vacation, where would we go?
We're talking about together, right?
Together, yeah.
Yeah, like Caribbean. I'd
Yeah.
go to Guyana with you.
Yeah, we want to. We're trying to make that happen.
Oh yeah.
Because last year we went to Guyana and we were trying to get her to come, but like the timing didn't work out. And then we're going back again this summer, so we're hoping that something will work out. Even if you don't come, like I text her about everything that happens. So it's like you might as well just be there so I don't have to text you about it, you know? I also feel like my parents just feel like you're like their daughter, so they're like, yeah, our third daughter's coming, no big deal. So like I don't think they care because like you're basically our family anyways.
Yeah, your mom asked me.
Yeah,
again.
I heard when she came in the house, I heard my mom say, are you coming to Guyana? Okay, so for lips, I'm going in with Spice Girl by Huda Beauty. Okay, and the last question that we had was who is more likely to go to jail? I feel like I am more likely to go to jail. Cause like, let's imagine if you're gonna be a cop, right? Then you're probably not going to jail.
Huh.
But then also if you're a cop, would you arrest me? Or would you be like, that's my friend? Okay, what if I was like speeding? I have to follow the law. Wow, okay.
Do you say that to yourself?
No, to you. Because to me, I'm not used to seeing her with like full glam. I think it looks good. What do you think?
I like it.
I feel like it looks kind of like fall makeup, vampy.
that?
And I feel like the lipstick kind of matches your hair a little bit. I love her hair. I don't have the balls to like do color like this, but I think it looks so good. This is the finished look. I think that's it for this video. I don't have anything else that I want to say. I mean, thanks for coming and trusting me. Do you think you made the right decision?
Yeah. I always like your makeup.
Thank you. I'll leave her Instagram in the description box if you want to see more of this beautiful face. Yeah, other than that, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! But yeah, I like, what are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
you turned around, you're like... And then I'm gonna take like a close-up. Not a close-up, but like, you know?
I know that thing you do where you go like...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Bye!